Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix Snapchat if it isn't sending snaps on your phone. First, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection is the most common reason why snaps fail to send. Next, switch your connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, try switching to cellular data. If you're using cellular data, switch to Wi-Fi. Then try sending your snaps again. If that doesn't work, open your app store and check if there's any update available for Snapchat. Installing the latest version can fix bugs and improve app performance. If this still doesn't work, you can go to your phone's settings, tap General, tap iPhone Storage. Now you can search Snapchat. Now you can tap Offload app. This can sometimes solve your problem. If snaps still aren't sending, make sure Snapchat servers aren't experiencing an outage. If there's a server issue, you'll need to wait until it's resolved. Finally, restart your iPhone and open Snapchat again to see if your snaps send normally. That's it for this video. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.